Hi Ray, very quick video on a couple of changes. So I've got the map page here and the demo page. On the demo page, if I come off the pop-up and the marker, it fades away. On the, which is good, on the map page, coming off does not happen on the pop-up yet. Same goes for, I'll choose this one for the marker. So those coding changes that you've done on the demo page of coming off needs to be applied to the map page. One other thing, the marker here is really, let me choose, the pop-up comes quite a fair way up the marker, whereas if I go to the map page, and you can see that the pop-up is a little bit down, it's further down. Could we make the demo page the same as the map page? Sorry, let's come back. Yeah, so could the demo pop-up look like the map page as it does here? That's it for now. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.